So, you guys, Gogo Skhotheni has a message to ladies who usually consult a male sangomas for relationship advices, and this time she wants them to be aware of male sangoma who wants to take sexual advantage of them, you guys. She says the number one trick that most of these male sangoma would do when ladies go to them to keep a man is that they would tell you to take muti and put it inside your man's pee and sleep with him to keep the guy. She said that it's because they know that it's an impossible mission to do that without him noticing. So instead, the male sangoma, would then offer themselves to you so that he can put it in his pee. He can put the muti in his pee and then put it into a lady's private parts, you guys, and that way they would have their way with you. She clearly explains it and says it is the number one trick. Please watch the rest of this video to see what she's talking about.
Never go to a sangoma while you're desperate. Part 1. Why am I saying that? Ladies, you go to sangomas and you go to a male sangoma and they tell you that obviously they can see, and you're also telling them, I've got relationship problems, and you're so desperate, like what, and then you have your sangoma and then sit go no ukuze le ndoda ikulalele ne kwamele ngithathe umuthi. Let me tell you strategy. Yazi bathini uzothi kwamele uthathe lo muthi lo ugcobise epipini le ndoda yakho bese ulala naye. How uyazi ukuthi ayeke khona uvela uthathe indoda yakho ugcobise umuthi epipini, umuntu wakho uzokubuza ukuthi why, bese uyamtshela ukuthi hayi mina indoda yami izothini ngomuthi wenzeka mabomu, bese wena uzothi, bese yena athi okay ithi ngigqobise la kimi ngaphambili bese ngilala nawe. Istrategy mangilala nawe lo muthi ungena ngesex kuphela and ungena ngesex le pipi. I'm just gonna be raw on this one ne. Bese ke awugqobise kuye akuthi baba khona lapha endumbeni, khona lapha endumbeni akuthi pa qum qothathi right indoda izozwa ngawo dololo. Ladies, I'm here to tell you there is nothing like that. Never exchange anything with sex when you go and consult. Ayikho into enjalo nokuthi umuthi beligqotshiswe epipini ukuze indoda yakhe ikunikize imali. Hey, stop going to a sangoma when you're desperate. Yabona izinto zakho mazisakhanya, qhubeka mntaka baba uconsulted, qhubeka uhambe wenze izinto zakho namadlozi. Don't wait for desperation, because they will tell you exactly what you need to hear and you will do exactly because you think they are right. Kanti desperate when ufuna usizo.